So we've just picked up 160 pounds of chicken, and we're going to be pressure canning all of that over the next couple days. So just like I did with the venison, I'm going to put this video together and show you what we do to pressure can. Now there's just going to be a lot of prep. I'm probably just going to cube all of this up, and we're going to have 2 pressure canners going at the same time. So we will walk through the process. Out of our 160 pounds of chicken breasts, this is what we have right now put up in the pantry. We have 3 more that haven't been canned, 3 more quart jars, and then we have 4 quart jars that did not seal, so they're up in the fridge. We'll go through those this week, but that was a total of 73 quart jars to fill 160 pounds of chicken breast.